What's up guys, Jordan from Monster Motoring here, all sweaty and everything because I just picked up the 1969 Chevy Chevelle SS 396. This car is original 396 car, but right now it has a 454 in it. Just picked it up from getting all the work done, transmission, everything like that. We've had this car for about 4 months now. We haven't seen it for nearly as long. So we just picked it up and we are just running it through all tests right now. And I figured I'd drive it and I'd see how well it is at getting groceries, see how well it is being a grocery getter. So what I'm about to do, I'm gonna take it to Target and we're gonna see how well it can hold some groceries. Well, let's just say like a gallon of milk. But yeah, let's see what happens. Alright, we are pulling up to Target right now. And, ooh, nice. Do I park next to people or do I park in another space? Yeah, we'll park up front. I'll pull it in backwards though. Let's wind up these windows. All right, let's go inside. Right. Milk acquired. Alright, just got out. Time to see how we're gonna fit this milk in the car. I have a feeling it might be able to fit, but you can't be too optimistic with these cars, you know. They're made at a different time. Oh god. Oh jeez. So many spaces. Just where do I might just, yeah, I can just stay there. Alrighty. See there. We have the milk right in here, all paid for. And now let's start this thing up. It's in park. That's a car right there. Alright, let's put you down and let me buckle up. Alright, let's get on the road. Put this thing in drive. I feel like I'm doing like a whole procedure while I'm doing that. Alright, I'm gonna wind down these windows. I'm in the middle of the road. Wind down windows, alright. Don't worry about that. Woo hoo hoo. This thing's got a decent bit of torque right here. I don't know the official power figures, but I know they're up there. Woo hoo. I wouldn't be surprised if you guys can't hear me at all. and I'll find out when I'm editing this video. But my goodness, I can feel the sweat dripping down my face. If this car had a personality and like a mouth, it would be laughing at me right now. It's putting me through torture. Alright, finally. Oh, wind. Oh, yes. Wind, yes. Happy about that. This thing picks up. Driving this thing makes me so grateful for having AC inside my other car, other cars, because this is a nightmare. I am like sweating my balls off. Oh gosh, it is hot. Like, why is today gotta be the hottest day of the year? Alright guys, I just pulled up home, so we're all good in terms of... Yep, car still works. On these windows and turn this thing off. Alright, so that shows this thing, with how much power it has, is still able to be a grocery getter. It can still pick up milk. Ugh. And close that. Yep, just a classic 69 Chevelle SS. Alright guys, this has been Jordan from Monster Motoring, and I will see you guys later. Peace out.